Hello there, this is Finn Fournier. Here's for Mass Effect of Insanity. It's 2007's version anyway. I think there's only one more system to look at in the Voyager Cluster. Columbia, I think. They missed an opportunity to have the shuttle names. There is the Columbia, but there should also be the Challenger and Atlantis and Discovery and Enterprise. But nope, instead it's the Yangtze and Amazon and Columbia. So, oh well. Voyager, I think, would obviously be like the satellite that, well, there are two of them on the edge of the solar system or out past it, something like that. But anyway, here we go to this. Right. Loading screen time again. Columbia. Yep. And how the heck I pronounced that, I don't know yet. Let's try. So, J-I-I-A, Clogia? I don't know. Either way, this one, Clogia, is a hothouse terrestrial world with a dense atmosphere of nitrogen and sulfur dioxide. The surface is scorching hot and mainly composed of iron with deposits of gold. Yay. Nice and toasty. The core of Clogia is very hot and tectonically active. Volcanic eruptions are common, and outgassing continues to add to the density of the atmosphere. The largest active volcano has a caldera of nearly 100 kilometers in diameter. Wow, like 60 some odd miles, right? And its basalt floods have covered an area roughly the size of the Earth continent of Australia, which is about the same surface area as the continental United States, China, and Antarctica, right? Anyway, orbital period 0.3 Earth years, radius 7,074 kilometers, day length 47.6 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure 18.33 Earth atmospheres, surface temperature 312 Celsius, surface gravity 1.1. You know, instead of mining on the surface or whatever, well, I mean, we plop probes in Mass Effect 2, maybe you could have like the same type of thing that you'd use for a neutron star to mine neutronium, just like a huge mass driver to impact and blast stuff into space at various angles, and then have collecting ships go around getting it from orbit, something like that. That's like obviously not if there's anything living on it, because it would reduce its chances of continuing to do so. But, you know, there's Nephiron over there, and nothing in the asteroid belt. Seriously, there's all these asteroids and none of them exist. Alright, Nephiron. Yay, here's a place we could land again. Nephiron is a barren, volcanic terrestrial world with an atmosphere of carbon dioxide and krypton. Its surface is mainly composed of sodium with deposits of magnesium. Aside from displays of geological beauty, including many spectacular volcanoes, always more volcanoes, this barren world is of little interest. Entries relating to Nephiron in the astronomical database are sparse. Orbital period 0.8 Earth years, radius 6,865 kilometers, day length 56.2 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure 0.73 Earth atmospheres, surface temperature 37 Celsius, so an average, which is the same as human body temperature. Surface gravity 0.88 G, Venetian, pretty much. So we'll get back to that. Let's go here to Antaheter. Antaheter is an unusually large ice world with a core of silicate rock and light metals and a trace atmosphere of krypton and xenon. The crust is mainly composed of water ice, like Europa. Antaheter's ice sheets show obvious signs of large-scale fracture and refreezing, centered on a massive crater near the South Pole, of Dune. A recent extranet meme suggests that a Prothean ship crashed through the crust of the planet before the collapse of their empire and might still be recovered from the planetary core. That had to be a very seriously facetious meme. This is purportedly the source of the planet's unusually high mass. Careful mapping of Antiheter's gravity field by orbiting satellites have proved that the planetary core is entirely normal. Orbital period 5.2 Earth years. Radius 3,718 kilometers. Day length 53.6 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure 0.06 Earth atmospheres. Surface temperature negative 124 Celsius. So, and let's see, any shiny things in the asteroid belt? Any blinky shiny things? Where the heck are you? Blinky shiny things, blinky shiny things. Come on. Can't we find one asteroid in the asteroid belt? My word, there's no asteroids in the entire asteroid belt. How is that possible? Oh well. Gromar. Not Glomar, but Gromar. Here we go. Gromar is a rocky terrestrial world with a trace atmosphere of krypton and xenon. And Glomar is in Alpha Prime, the video game. It's a genie bottle type thing or something, basically. Anyway, the frozen surface is mainly composed of copper with deposits of calcium. Prior to the Alliance expansion into the Voyager Cluster, Gromar hosted one half of a Turian interferometric telescope array, just one half of it, connected with similar telescopes in the Attic and Beta Cluster by an expensive chain of FTL comm buoys. The two functioned as a single virtual lens with an effective aperture equal to the thousands of light years between them. The Turians use this to chart the terminus systems with great accuracy. I'd suppose you'd have to have like instantaneous FTL or something like that, otherwise you're going to be accounting for time delay still, even with FTL being FTL. So, like the quantum entanglement pair things that started in the other thing, or like in the Inheritance trilogy by Ian Douglas. But anyway, orbital period 115.6 Earth years. Radius 4,911 kilometers. Day length 30.03 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure 0.13 Earth atmospheres. Surface temperature negative 218 Celsius. Surface gravity 0.28 G. So double lunar, almost Martian. Anyway, so let's see. This is the one Nepheron we could land on. Nepheron we can land on. Yep. Alright, let's see what's here. See if we can do anything more than nothing. Would be nice. Let's take Callie this time after selecting Ashley every time. There we go. Here we go again. Extra crispy. Come on, no, get up from orbit, yeah. Yay, extra crunchy tires. Alrighty. And M, and let's see, debris, underground facility, mummified Solarian, and surveyed thorium deposits. So, yeah, let's go here first, and then we'll just do like that, maybe. Well, this is already where we're at. So let's go here and then to there. Just get to the corner as much as we can. When we start seeing the red square thing there, it'll be like, oh, I mean, we're already dealing with mummies, so we can always check out like Joseph Stalin's, no, but I mean like the end of the map, the square corner there. I suppose it's really not the square that's red, it's just the border. There's the border. And we are looking this way, so let's go a little further. Oh wow, this looks similar to, what was the movie? The Chronicles of Riddick on that, oh, there we go with the red frame there. Alright, so next thing, Furina? No. Crematoria. The world that has the visual thermal front that looks like a wall of fire. Because it's a wall of fire, pretty much. Extra crispy Dune. Anything in its pathway. But yeah, that was a pretty good movie. I liked it anyway. Everything can always be better though, right? And I don't fully recommend it, but it's at least like a fair bit better than just Riddick, the one that had Starbucks, even though I mean, it's cool that Casey Sackhoff was there though. A little awkward in one way, but anyway. Pitch Black, the first movie in the series, was also kind of neat. Right. Yeah, let's see, it's a little sad that Claudia went, though. It would have been cooler to me if Claudia were the actress playing the pirate, pilot, not pirate, rather than the other one that got to be the flying Xenomorph's chew toy. Spoiler alert. But yeah, that was not cool to me because I really liked a lot of the roles that the actress there plays. But whatever though, especially like Aaron Soon and Vala Maldoran. Come on. Can we call this level ground yet?
Redeploying.
Yay. Redeploying, whatever. Affirmative. Ah, crap. I hate that puzzle thing. Come on. Alrighty, here we go. Here we go again. Finally. One heavy metal. Alright, and where's the next thing? Let's see, where are we? We're here. Okay, we still have that bit to go to get to that edge. Fantastic wheels of doom. Wow. Come on. Driving with WASD. The most joyful thing in the universe. Right. And it's easy to get confused by where the mouse is pointing because it doesn't point to where you're going, it points to just wherever the turret's facing. So that adds to the joy of driving this vehicle, which really should be in Rocket League. I would love to see that. Like if there's a mod for that, that would be hilarious. Especially if it has the same driving dynamics as this game, the 2007 version. I don't know how bad it is in the legendary version, but yeah, this one, yeah, let's see this in Rocket League, or let's see an entire pair of teams trying to use these, and it'll just be all over the place, literally all over the place. I don't think you're gonna get very much in terms of goals, but you'll definitely get stuff moving around, almost like Brownian motion. With the movement of molecules and whatever, you know. Well, depending. Onward to the joy of we found another thing. And we surveyed it with Frogger. Okay, and we are here, so let's go here now. See if we've surveyed that. Which we probably have. Well, I have. And anyone else who's played the game before and gotten to there, because it's one of the items on the map already. It just depends whether I was frustrated the last time I was there and didn't want to do everything, because it's just time consuming after a point. And yet it is good to get everything done completionist style. Just when you're trying to focus on one thing after another, it is a little bit like, I just want to do the objective, and it's like the objective is explore. In this case, crash probe. Looks like we can still scan it. Maybe my electronics or whatever was probably too low. Salvage. Let's see. Edge of tomorrow as we know it. Let's see here. Increase basic armor for you. More health points. More. And resave over that. Yep, goodbye to the 360, I guess. And 15 Omni Gel if we can't do this easy puzzle on this one. Yay, actually got it. Cool. Let's see here if I can increase the optics of Doom. Oh, I have those. Okay. And we only have optics 8 for 2 other characters here. Let's see here. Ashley, let's see. Rail extension 6, rail extension 5, so let's replace that with that. And I don't know. Here's Snippy Whiffle. How's this going? Combat scanner. What? Interesting. 7. Huh. Alright, Tally. What's this look like for you? You have that one, and improved sighting. 9% accuracy versus 23 damage. Yeah. And this one, level 6 detection. Let's just do that, replacing that then. Probably is fine either way, but yeah. Let's go with that then. Alright, and then let's see. We've gotten this far. Let's go to where the Thresher Maws dwell. Maybe. Just maybe. Onward with the vehicle of Dune. Doom, 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 doom. That's supposed to be a planet on those clouds there. It reminds me somewhat of the movie Predators, where they first saw like they were around the gas giant, and it's like, I don't think we're in Kansas anymore. Like, yeah, you're probably not going to be walking home. That would be, well, quite the spacewalk, if we even could get to space. But, yeah, that was fun, too, how the one guy did manage to convince one of the Yautja to let him have the spacecraft to go home, and then another one just decided to set it for destruct, and it's like, oh, come on, really? But he already decided to return to make sure that the one lady friend was still alive. And all that stuff. For anyone that didn't see the movie, there's spoilers, I guess. Anyway, onward to going to this edge now. Seeing if there's anything more to explore. Anything more not to explore. So many minerals, and none of them worth anything, I guess. Only the ones that look like boulders or something. What's all this crap? Is this where a Thresher Maw's going to be? This looks like a Thresher Maw nest. It probably would be. Like, something ate half of that. Yep, there it is. Yep, time to get on to another ground. Stop spitting. Okay, more of this crap, yay. Come on. You need to eat Reapers, not Makos. Come on, where aren't you? Come on, come on. Get into my sight. Time to go Dune. Come on. Oh, there you are. Right there. And now there's enough experience points. But
I smell trouble.
yeah, sorry, I need more deodorant. Are you just... Are we done with that? We can save at least. Seemed like we defeated it and it stayed there for a little bit longer than it should have. I don't know how exactly, but... Well, there was that, and we saved now. Well, that was fun. In quotation marks of Doom. Yeah. Hard decryption. Oh, come on, really? Upgrade kit, yay, more stuff. Alright, hard decryption. I hate that. I hate the concept of that. It's gonna be Frogger. Infinite Frogger, infinite Doom. Tally, could you go to the left?
Ready whenever you are.
Are you sure? Oh, now you teleported over there. Okay, here's this now. Yep, this is fun looking, alright. In quotation marks of doom. Come on, really? Ah, the joy. Insufficient Omnigel too. Wonderful. Wonderful. I hate this. But it might have better stuff, so here's hoping. Alrighty then. Ah. Yay. That was improbable, but we got it. So let's save so I don't have to redo it. Please. Oh my word. Well, yay. Alright, anything else here? Doesn't look like it. Why are you guys just staring at the wall? Who put you in timeout? And why? Anything here other than a half-eaten Mako of Doom? Break it apart and use it for minerals? Oh well, let's call it a day. I think I'm done with this planet. I don't want to be on this planet anymore. How I feel most days. I want to stay alive indefinitely, but yeah, living on Earth not as much. Whatever. So, this was Nephiron, the planet, but what was it again? Columbia in the Voyager Cluster, right? Yeah, Nephiron planet, yeah. But yeah, Columbia of the Voyager Cluster, so we got all of that. I think there's going to be something there later, maybe Ilos, I don't remember for sure where it is, but Amazon, Yangtze, and there's the Columbia, so... Alright, I'll pick where we're going next time. Yay. Alright, take care. And remember to try to not go crazy. Run!